Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Momoh, has appealed for the cooperation and support of state governors to ensure completion of the East-West Road reconstruction project and other key projects in the Niger Delta region. The minister made the appeal recently during consultative meetings with Governor Momoh of Akwa Ibom State and his Cross River State counterpart, Senator Basi Edet Otu.
Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Momoh, is currently on a tour of Niger Delta region to confer with state governors on the need to speed up completion of the East-West Road construction project and revive crumbling infrastructure. Recently, the minister held a consultative meeting with Cross River State Governor, Senator Basi Otu, who was represented by his deputy, Right Honorable Peter Ode. Top on the agenda of the meeting was completion of the East-West Road reconstruction project, whose tardy execution has become a major source of concern for many. It will be recalled that the East-West Road reconstruction project was receiving significant attention before its supervision was transferred from the Ministry of Niger Delta Development to the Federal Ministry of Works in March last year. While in Government House Calabar, Engineer Momoh noted that the all-important project will receive greater attention under the supervision of the Ministry of Niger Delta Development.
If you decide to leave this road, in the Ministry of Works will be completely abandoned, and you know what that one means. You can see what we have passed through now. Let us come together, all the ministers in the Niger Delta, the governors and the political leaders. I believe if all this group of persons come together with one voice, there's no doubt, no way that this cannot be better than they are today. That is the only way by which we can bring the dividends of democracy and development to our people.
The East-West Road connects 6 states of Nigeria's South-South geopolitical zone, which is the country's oil and gas hub. Its dilapidated state has had adverse socio-economic impact on the South-South states over the years, prompting calls on the federal government to speed up its reconstruction. Responding on behalf of the Cross River State Governor, Deputy Governor Ode, who stressed the need for the Ministry of Niger Delta Development to reassume the responsibility of supervising the project, assured the ministry of the support of his state government.
If these roads are under the Ministry of Niger Delta, we believe that the intervention is going to be faster, the people will know what to do, and they will monitor easily the contractors that are doing this job. Be rest assured that the governor of Cross River State, and indeed the people of Cross River State, welcome you with open hand. Whatever collaboration that you will need, be rest assured that it will be given to you from our side.
Earlier, the Minister of Niger Delta Development met with Akwa Ibom State Governor Momoh Basi at Government House Uyo to solicit a collaborative approach to the development of Niger Delta region. At Uyo, the minister urged governors in the Niger Delta to close ranks in support of President Bola Tinubu's vision for sustainable development in the region.
We are working under a Mr. President who has listened here with his renewal agenda. I believe once this road is transferred back to the Ministry of Niger Delta and it is funded in a very short time, we will see the revenue.
Governor Momoh, while appreciating the minister's zeal to transform the Niger Delta region, hailed President Tinubu for running an all-inclusive government.
I thank Mr. President for his inclusiveness, for not playing politics to development, for allowing every one of us to come together as one entity to develop our country.
While in Akwa Ibom State, Engineer Momoh paid a courtesy call on the paramount ruler of Uyo, His Royal Majesty Edidem Silvanus Okon, at his palace and inspected some project awarded by the Ministry of Niger Delta Development.
Inside the Niger Delta,